Hey guys, welcome to Electronic Curiosities. So today I am going to show you how the parallel and series connection is done in laptop batteries. This is the battery of Dell laptop. So I am going to open it and show you how the parallel and series connection is given to that batteries or cell. So let's begin. I'm going to also explain you the schematic means diagram of this laptop batteries and going to explain the series and parallel connection. So be with me towards the end of the video. I'm going to show the schematic diagram and also the practical view of how it is connected. So let's open this first and let's see how it is connected the laptop batteries and its principle and how it's going to work. So let's see.
Hey guys, let's first see the diagrammatic view of the battery pack which I have shown you before while opening the battery pack. So you can see this 6 cells in the pairs of 2. You can see here the pair of 2, here the pair of 2 and pair of 2. So you can see they are in parallel, pair of 2 are in parallel and they are connected in 6. Okay. So you can see the labeling here. So the labeling in parallel, so that means this pair, two pairs are in parallel. The negative is connected to negative, positive is connected to positive. So you can see here also the two pairs are in parallel, and here also the two pairs are in parallel. So when all three pair or these three are in parallel. Okay, now let's see the series part. Okay, this part here you can see the 2 points, these are in connected in series. So now let's see the principle of parallel and series in this pack. Okay, so you can see, first let's see the parallel part. Okay, here the parallel part. Okay, so two pairs of parallel. Okay, so in parallel what happens is the voltage rating of these two pairs will remain same. Okay, will remain same. Okay, and the current rating, the current of these two cells will adds up. Okay, so you got my point. In parallel voltage remains same, whereas current gets adds up. Okay, now let's talk about the series point. Okay, in series what happens in series? Okay, in series uh, the current remains the same. Okay, the current remains of these two pairs in series will remains the same. Okay, in series between these two pairs and these two pairs the current will remain same, whereas the voltage of these two pairs will get add up. Okay, will add. Okay, so in series get the voltage will add and current will remain same. Okay, now let's take an example. Okay, let me take the example. Okay, so for example, each cell has a rating of 3.3 volt voltage and the current is of 5000 mAh. Okay, so current is of 5000 mAh and voltage rating is 3.3 volt of each cell. Okay, now these two cells, okay, are in parallel, so the voltage rating will be same. So in parallel voltage remains same, the voltage will be 3.3 volt and current will add up. In parallel current will add, so 5000 mAh of this, 5000 mAh of this, so total will be the 10,000 mAh. Okay, now let's come in series. Okay, what happens in this series, okay, of this spec? Okay, now the 3.3 volt of this and 3.3 volt of this will get add up, so total it will become 3.3 6.6 volt something, and current in the series will remain same as I explained before. Okay, the current will remain same and the voltage will adds up. Okay, here also same, the voltage 6.6 volt and again 3.3 volt, so it will add up. Okay, so total become 9.9 volt, and current will remain same at 10,000 mAh. Okay, in series current remains same, and in and in and voltage remains, and voltage gets adds up in series. Okay, so the output will be taken at these points, these 2 points, positive and negative. So in practically what I have shown before on the multimeter, this pair of cell has a 3.3 something 3 volt. This has a 2 volt, and this has also a 2 volt. Because and the output which we are getting on the multimeter is total output is 7 volt, and these two pairs and these pairs was showing 2 volt because I have used that battery and it has discharged, whereas this pair is not discharged. Something 3.3 volt it was showing, and this is 2 volt and this is 2 volt, so it was used by me. So this is the most practically diagram I have seen used in the battery spec in the laptop batteries. So I have whichever battery I have opened, I have seen mostly of this part, or otherwise in series or parallel. Okay, this is how work the battery spec in series and parallel. Okay, you have to just know the principle of series and parallel, how current will act in series, how voltage will act in series, or how voltage will act in parallel. You should know that principle. Okay, I think you got the point. Now let's see the practical part, how it is connected. I will show you on the battery pack. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel Electronic Curiosity and share it to others, so others should get knowledge about the battery pack. So thanks for watching my video. Now let's see the practical part, how it is connected.
Hey guys, now let's see the practical view of the batteries connected as shown in the diagram. So let's see. I'm among this step out. So you can see there are two pairs of cells are connected in parallel, and again they are connected in series to another pair of parallel two cells. So as shown in that diagram, you can see, so these two pairs are in series and these two pairs are again series. So as per that diagram of parallel and series, this is the same battery cell spec which I am showing you. So you can see the diagram. So that's the practical view of that battery pack. This is the battery pack which I opened of a Dell laptop, and mostly I have opened such type of battery are in connection of this type only. If you want to see another battery pack, I have another video which is on the same battery but which are of different connections. So you can see, I will provide the link in the description about that video. That pack has only 4 cells. So